Welcome to Spark Your Start, where small steps can make a big difference in emotional well-being. Have you ever climbed into bed for a quick rest and suddenly hours have passed? Maybe you're scrolling, watching videos, or just lying there thinking about everything you should be doing, but can't quite get yourself to start. There's actually a name for this trend online right now, bed rotting. And while it might sound dramatic, a lot of people relate to it, especially when they're overwhelmed, stressed, or emotionally drained. But what's really going on here? Your brain is wired to seek comfort and safety when it feels overloaded. And bed is often the ultimate low-effort, safe space. It's warm, it's familiar, and there's no expectations. So when life feels heavy, your brain says, let's stay here a little longer. The problem is, while short rests can be helpful, staying there too long can quietly feed a vicious cycle, where less movement leads to less stimulation. Less stimulation can lead to more negative thoughts, and those thoughts drain your energy even further. Before long, the day feels harder to start. This can create an avoidance loop. You feel overwhelmed, so you retreat to bed. You rest for longer than planned and things start piling up. Your mind fills with thoughts like, I should be doing something. Those thoughts create guilt or pressure, which makes getting up feel even harder. So you stay put and the loop continues. But here's the important part. Your brain isn't lazy, it's trying to cope. And the way out isn't forcing motivation, it's creating small momentum. Instead of trying to overhaul your whole day, start with 3 tiny shifts. First, change the environment. Sit up, open the curtains, or move from the bed to a chair. Even small physical changes signal to the brain that something different is happening. Second, choose a 2-minute action. Don't aim for productivity. Aim for movement. Drink a glass of water, stretch, walk to another room. Small actions create momentum. Third, plan one meaningful activity. Just one. Call a friend, take a short walk, make something creative. When your brain experiences even a small sense of purpose, energy often follows. And here's an important distinction between rest and avoidance. Rest is healthy. Avoidance is exhausting. Real rest helps you recover. Avoidance keeps your mind spinning while your body stays still. Learning the difference helps you give yourself what you actually need, whether that's genuine rest, connection, or movement. If you found yourself bed-rotting lately, be kind to yourself. Sometimes it's simply a signal that your mind needs care, structure, or support. So today, don't aim for a perfect day. Just aim for one small step out of the loop. Because motivation doesn't come first. Movement does. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who might be stuck in the same cycle, and subscribe for more small tools to help you spark your start again.